All right.
So, you want me to tell 2 truths and 1 lie, okay? So the first one is I'm qualified to be a captain on a sailboat, and I can lead a crew out to sea and then back home again. Second one, I chose to be in the building profession instead of training to be a teacher when I left college. And the final one, I am a skilled chef and have been told my standard of cooking is so good I could cook in a high-class Michelin star standard restaurant. There you go.
I feel like the last one, I feel like the first one you're kind of tricking us. So I'm going to go for the last one. That's the lie, I think.
The last one's a lie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so
Last
what you
one's
said,
I agree,
so the
yeah.
last one is a truth or a lie?
I said the last one.
Is what, a lie or a truth?
Yeah, a lie.
You're right. I am a terrible cook. At best, I can only do toast, make an omelette and a quick bowl of pasta, but cooking is not my skill. Well done.
Okay, the first one is my favourite colour is pink. Second one is I've performed in a play and I was a boy in it. And then the third one is I'm so good at cooking. I can cook. What can I cook? I can cook many things, like basic things, basically. So which one's a lie and which one's the truth?
The last one, because you contradict yourself.
Oh my God, this is quite tough, isn't it?
I just said the last one as well.
Yeah, because you said you're really good at cooking, and you said you can cook basic stuff. So if you're really good at cooking, you should be able to cook advanced stuff.
I didn't pick up on that. I just think cooking seems so less of a truth than your other 2 answers. You know, pink. I mean, judging by your bedroom, it might well be your favourite colour. It looks quite girly from where I'm standing.
I just joined when she said the last one, so I didn't hear the 2. The first.
No, wait a minute.
As I'm very close with her,
You go.
I know that she does cook, but I didn't hear the other 2, so I can't judge.
It just sounds like less of a truth, the one about cooking.
So the last one is a lie.
I mean, by process of elimination.
Okay. Has everybody said what they want to say? Should I say it now?
I would have gone for pink as the lie.
Okay, I can reveal that the first one is a lie. You're right. I did that on purpose. I was taking time to say the lie, and then to say the truth. I mean, and then yeah, I was trying to trick you guys as well. Okay, so Thomas, you want to go next?
Okay, now reverse psychology never crossed my mind about this, but I think I'm going to get quite clever about this now. So, my first point is that I really like music. My second point is I'm excellent at drawing. My third point is I am a DJ.
I feel like
say
a lie.
I think the second one.
Yeah,
I feel like it's the middle one, yeah.
I say DJ's a lie.
I can't imagine you drawing.
Didn't you get someone else to do your portrait for you as your profile picture? Yeah.
Too much, I've got to be honest. It is the second point. I'm awful at drawing, Lewis. That does mean, unfortunately for you, that I am a DJ.
Explain your terrible taste in music.
Oh, you know I like the same songs as you as well.
Oh, do you?
Oh, that's even worse. Backfired.
I think Ishan should go next.
Yeah, I'll go next. So I was born in LA, Los Angeles. I can pronounce fluently and spell the longest place name in Welsh, whatever that is, the long word. The third one is I can play the guitar.
First one's wrong. First one is a lie.
First one.
I know he can say Llanfair Pwllgwyn Gorau Geri Cwyn Job Llantysilio Goch.
Yeah, but I said I can say it and I can spell it off by heart.
Well, it's once you know how to pronounce it,
If you know how to
Dude, it's a
pronounce it,
55-letter word or something, like
It
100-letter word.
it is, and for some reason my brain can put them in order as well.
Yeah, no,
So-
it's really phonetic if you know how the Welsh language works.
And I know he did very well in his Welsh GCSE, so
Very
Yeah,
well. Welsh GCSE. Welsh was the only subject I got an A in, and the rest are A-star. My Welsh teacher just
wow,
violated
it's
me.
still very good, isn't it?
Doesn't mean you did bad.
Yeah, but like, compared to other
Ethan,
subjects.
I think your first one's a lie.
First one.
Yeah, the LA one.
Yeah.
Name.
Yeah, that is true.
Too unrealistic, I feel like.
I was born in LA, yeah.
Is
I'd
it
love to
true
be born in
that
LA
it's
though.
true?
Just have a LA vibe. Okay, so number one, I'm a very organized and like productive person. Number two, I've broken my nose. And number three, I love to cook and bake.
I got to say
Wait,
number one.
say it again. Say number
Yes.
one and number two again.
Number one, I'm a very productive and what? What did I
And
say?
number
It's number two. It's the second one. I know she can cook.
The
You know, and
second
bake
one, I
cakes.
broke my nose. Third one, I can cook and bake, and I really enjoy it.
It's definitely number two.
I think it's 2 as well.
Yeah, I agree.
You guys
Also,
are
I think it's
right.
number
I've
one.
injured my nose, but I didn't break it.
Ah.
So, my favourite film is Blade Runner.
Good film.
My favourite band is Pink Floyd.
Good band.
Oh, he's
I
doing
remember-
that again, isn't he?
And my favourite game is Battlefield 5.
Oh, I don't know that.
Ooh.
I'm going for the.
Either the second one or the third one. Remember,
I feel
because
like
he
it's
was
not
talking
number
about
I've
his
already
favourite
talked about his
band.
music taste. I've already
Yeah.
talked about his music taste. Number two, it could.
I'm
It could.
going for number
It
one.
seems
Wait,
like
what's number one
to be
again?
true.
Number one is my favourite film is Blade Runner.
Oh, yeah, wait.
The problem is, he's told us the answer before, and I remember him discussing what his favourite band was. I just forgot.
I'm
It
going
is
for
Pink-
number one.
I think it was actually this week, as we're recording, that he said Pink Floyd was his favourite band.
So means I'm gonna go with 3. That's not his favourite game.
Yeah, I was going to go for the game.
Um,
He likes Among Us or something like that.
number 3 is The Line.
Yes.
Minecraft is my favourite game.
Oh.
I have multiple siblings. I've almost died twice, and I've only broken a bone once.
What do you mean you've almost died twice?
I'm gonna go for the multiple siblings one.
This could take quite a sinister turn. We need to unpick this and unravel this good and proper. If we're playing it properly, we need to kind of like see if we can unravel some events.
I don't know why. I've just been attracted to the third one. I feel like the third one's a lie. Maybe he's broken more bones, or maybe he has broken none because he does like to sleep, and I don't feel.
I
Like...
know he definitely has one sister.
Yeah, he does. But does he have more than that? Because he goes, I have many siblings.
Yeah, but does he have many siblings? No, multiple siblings.
Are you allowed to ask more questions, as in what are your siblings' names? To catch them out.
I suppose we could find out afterwards if it's true or not, but we have to decide which one we're going.
I feel like it's the last one because I know he loves to sleep. But like, how can you break a bone when you're a really like sleepy person?
Yeah, it could be.
Or he's very active and he's broken more than one because he said 1. So like that number could trick us. But he can also trick us with that number with the amount of siblings. 'cause he
He's
said-
a tricky
I
kind of guy.
I think you're going too deep into this. I don't think he's like
I don't
too.
think we are. This
He is a very
Don't
kind of
think
close boy, to be honest. He doesn't share that much information. So
I'm going for the last one. I feel like like you said, like he sleeps a lot, so yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for the last one as well.
I agree. It seems a precise number of bones to break as well. Why 2?
Yeah.
So you think I've broken not one bone?
Maybe 1 or maybe none. I've broken none.
Maybe
So-
Or more
three,
than
not
2.
I know some other person who's broken their bone 7 times. So like, yeah, I'm gonna go with the third one.
I only have one sibling.
Oh, it was a sibling one.
Yeah, I was
I
edging
told-
I
towards
said number
that
1,
one.
then you guys tricked me.
You
I
were
was
the
edging
one
towards that one
you.
too,
We
but,
were nearly right. We were nearly right.
Alright. My 3
That's
are.
with the 2 truths, 1 lie.
I was born in a different country. I
Okay.
used to be allergic to carpet. And I'm left-handed.
I think you said
Left-handed
this
is-
one before, so I think it's allergic to carpet.
No, I feel like the third one is the first one.
Okay, using, disqualifying. I have a feeling you are born in a different country because you're Arabic. So like, that's like, Number 2. You might be left-handed.
No, I feel like
This is the
that's
point. I
the-
feel like all 3 of them are the truth.
No, I feel like
That's a clever tactic, though. All of them feeling like the truth. Because you
Yeah.
can't guess then.
no, but I feel like have any of you guys seen someone who's allergic to carpet?
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
some people can be allergic to the dust.
Yeah,
I
that's true.
have.
Latex as
Be
well.
allergic to the
She,
carpet.
my mum can walk through the carpet section in IKEA, and her lips will start tingling straight away.
Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I'm.
It can happen, but
Yeah.
I mean, it again, it sounds less like the truth than his other 2.
Do you
His
think
other
that,
2.
are you allergic to the fibres? Is that what triggers it?
Yeah, probably.
Or the dust. I'm allergic to the dust, yeah. Like,
I mean, going this deep into a piece of carpet is incredible.
Maybe it's the
Thank
part
God I'm not allergic to
free
anything.
truth.
So I don't experience any allergies, thank God. So I don't really know.
I'm going to go
Um,
for left-handed because I'm
Same.
left-handed.
I think the truth is. Was it 2 truths, 1 lie, or 2 lies, 1 truth?
2 truths, 1 lie.
You've
Yeah.
been playing this game for 3 rounds now.
I know. What is gonna be doing?
I get mixed up. Okay, I think the lie is the left hand. I think he's right-handed.
I am right-handed.
Ooh,
I
see?
actually was allergic to carpet at one point, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I like my favorite color is the color green. I have broken my arm and I speak a bit of French.
I feel like your favorite color is not green.
Yeah. I don't know any person else's favorite color is green.
Yeah, I feel like green is just
My
not a
second
favorite
favourite
color you have.
My favorite color is green. What are you on about?
Oh,
It's a soothing colour green. It's very soothing.
yeah. I think I'm gonna go strong for the color. I don't
Yeah.
think it's green.
Because you know what? I feel like you know more languages too, so I
Yeah.
feel like the French one is right.
And she said she knows a little bit of French, and you do French in school, so like I think like most schools do French anyway.
I think it's the colour. Don't know why. Instinct.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the color too.
Anyone else?
I agree with you guys.
My favorite color is green.
Oh,
Oh.
so what was the lie?
I haven't broken my arm.
I was kind of stuck in between 1 and 2, but yeah.